Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to cover the Water TechniX chemicals available from mrpoolman.com.au. A glimmering, crystal clear pool doesn't have to be a lot of work. Most people don't know that the right balance of chemicals can prevent algae and make your pool maintenance simple and easy. Water TechniX chemicals are designed to improve the quality of your pool all year round. Pools need balance, and water balance provides the basis that pool chemicals need in order to be effective. Unbalanced water can become green and damage the pool equipment, all because the chemicals are not having the right effect. Firstly, before you treat the pool, make sure you stay on top of any leaves, twigs, or fallen debris. This basic maintenance should be attended to all year round. Secondly, it is vital that you regularly get your water tested to establish a true indication of the core chemicals required to balance the pool, such as sanitizer, pH, total alkalinity, and calcium hardener. All Water TechniX chemicals are made here in Australia. We have years of experience helping pool owners just like you, providing free quotes and advice so you can decide on which option is best for your pool. The Water TechniX Pool Chemicals will help maintain any backyard oasis. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.